Which is the best city to take IELTS exam? Should you take exam in your hometown or you should go out of your state? This may be your question. Many students often come to me and they ask, sir, where to take IELTS exam? Is it better to take IELTS exam in home state or is it okay to take exam in hometown or go out of hometown? You may be one of them. Friends, I have a simple suggestion for you. If your preparation is good, you can take your IELTS exam anywhere in India or you can go out of India. Your score would be good. If your preparation is poor, no place would help you. IELTS exam has nothing to do with place. It has to do with your preparation. If your preparation is good and you have performed well, in simple words, if you have delivered your preparation in your real examination, then you will score high. And if you are unable to perform better in IELTS examination, then nothing gonna happen. So my simple suggestion is for you, prepare as better as you can without worrying about where to take IELTS exam. No city or no state would help you with scoring high. It is your preparation, it is your confidence, and it is your honest nature that will help you with your result. Many students believe that if just change the hometown, then they would be getting good score. Some of the students even go out of the state. They believe that they would be scoring high, but it doesn't help them anywhere. So my dear friends, just kill this myth. Go away from this notion. Prepare as better as you can and book the date where you want, where you feel comfortable. It has to do with comfort. Suppose you want to go to Delhi from Amritsar, or you want to come to Amritsar from Delhi. It would be a hectic traveling and you won't be able to perform better. But somewhere your mind helps you. You feel that if I take exam in Amritsar, this will help me. If I take exam in Delhi or Chandigarh, that would help me. Wherever you feel comfortable, take exam at that place and your score would be good. Again, I want to repeat, do not worry about place, worry about your preparation and confidence. If you feel up in confidence because you have prepared, then definitely you will score high anywhere in the world. If your preparation is not up to the mark, I don't think so any place can help you. So always think that no place is going to help you. Prepare as better as you can. I hope that this video has cleared some doubts in your mind, and you are going to prepare as better as you can so you could score high. If you have not subscribed our channel, please do it now, because we are making videos to help you score high in IELTS examination. We do not have any shortcut to get you 7+, 8+, or 9 bands. We work hard with you so you could score high. Thank you so much for being with us. See you next time.